everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover Skout account. To get started, let's open Skout app. Let's say you have forgot your previous account, username and password, but you remember the ID, either it is Facebook ID, Google ID or Apple ID. My previous account was logged in with my Facebook ID, so let me click on Facebook ID. Now tap on continue and then click on open. Now continue and then it will open your previous account. So here you go, you have successfully logged in your previous account. So in this way you can recover your account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.